CORTEC's two Louisiana-based state-of-the-art facilities contain over 170,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Within these facilities, we engineer, manufacture, assemble, and test all CORTEC products. Our facilities offer a U.S. manufactured product with convenient access to the Gulf of Mexico and North American markets, as well as major shipping ports in Texas and Louisiana for streamlined international shipments to customers abroad. Our manufacturing facilities operate around the clock and allow us to provide quick, efficient response to our customers' needs while maintaining sufficient inventory levels to service their operations. For us, technology drives production. Combining our streamlined ERP system and the strategic use of automated machinery enables our production to remain efficient while retaining the CORTEC standard of quality. Refined over decades of manufacturing experience, our ERP system navigates all internal processes within CORTEC. From real-time production tracking to full traceability, it streamlines all important documentation and manufacturing phases to ensure all products meet our customers' expectations of quality and consistency. In addition, all of our machines and equipment are monitored through a custom program that tracks runtime efficiency, which allows constant evaluation of workflow and the ability to seek out opportunities for improvement. CORTEC offers an unparalleled combination of capability and flexibility within the valve manufacturing sector. With a well-organized management structure and quick response times, we're able to better meet the needs of our clients. Possessing state-of-the-art facilities and industry-leading products, CORTEC remains uniquely positioned to meet your project demands. CORTEC, crafted for confidence.